Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about finding a missing dimension for perimeter. So what we have here is the formula when you need to find the perimeter. So perimeter equals 2 times length plus 2 times width. So if you are given a rectangle and you're given one dimension and the total perimeter, we need to use what we know about this formula to find the missing dimension. So here we have this dimension is 13 inches. So what we know about perimeter and rectangles is that whatever the dimension is on one side, the parallel opposite side is going to have the same dimension. So this would also be 13 inches. So because perimeter is 2 times the length, what we're going to do is we're going to do 13 times 2, or 13 plus 13 first. What did you get? 26? Excellent. Okay. So these two sides together are 26 inches. Now the total is 46 inches. So what we're going to do with this 26 is take it away from the 46. So we're going to say 46, take away 26. Got it? Did you get 20? Okay. Here we have 20 left over. Now we have two sides left that we don't know the dimension of. So the most common mistake is fourth graders will say, it's 20 inches. But it's two of them. So we have to divide this 20 in half because we did 2 times the length here, and now 2 times the width would then get us up to 46. So here we go. We're going to take 20 and we're going to divide it in half. So 20 divided by 2. Half of 20 is 10. So now we know that dimension B is 10 inches. So today's work, you are going to have bigger numbers sometimes for these. And so what I want you to do is remember what we learned about division and ratio tables. And if you're cutting something in half, dividing it by 2 to find the missing dimension. Also, what I want you to remember is that you can prove it by adding up what you got. So if you got 10 as your answer, and then you add all these sides together, it should equal what the perimeter they're giving you is. Okay? Okay. You're also going to have a sheet that is a review on factors and multiples. So I want to remind you what that means. A factor, here, a whole number that divides evenly into another number. So for example, with the number 16, the factor is going to be 1 and 16. Every number has 1 as its factor, 1 in itself. And if there's more than that, it's composite. And if there's only 1 in the number, like 1 and 7, then it is prime. So for 16, we say 1 and 16. And then because it's even, we know that there's 2 in a number. And then there's nothing for 3. And then 4 and 4. And there isn't one for 5. And isn't one for 6. And there isn't one for 7. And oh, there we get to 8 again. So we know we got all the factors. And we did that making the rainbow. Multiples. So the multiple is the answer. It's the number that's the product given when you multiply your number by another number. So multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and on and on. So in today's work, you're going to be asked if numbers are prime or composite. You're going to be asked to find the factors and some multiples. And you're going to email me if you have any questions. Okay? All right. Talk to you later.